it still releases.
That would almost help.
It's not gonna sound like.
No, it won't sound like anything.
But this is the first time,
And
right?
is there a place for us to like clip this? This just clips on, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, there you go.
It's like very
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can play with like one string.
Oh yes.
Is there a one string concerto?
I don't think so.
No.
Probably jingle bells. Ding, ding,
Yeah.
ding, 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 ding.
It's got some sound though. It's got some sound. I mean,
Okay.
that's
yeah,
the fret.
It's not,
Yeah. How does it sound compared to? So I think it doesn't. It's not projecting as much as I'm thinking the regular violin probably does. But yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Beautiful.
Now, if I was a parent, I'd want that quiet one.
Oh yeah. So tweaking those F holes, I think, will make a big difference. Changing the sizes of those.
And I think it would be also better to do
Broader.
yeah, a little bit longer.
Oh yeah,
I think
yeah.
Up to here, somewhere
Okay.
there.
Give you more room.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, one last time. Play it. I want to.
Also,
Oh yeah. Is that pretty close for the scale? Yeah. The proportions of where your fingers are, right,
Yeah,
is
so I think it's a little bit. I don't know how.
wider, maybe.
Yeah.
I see that as well. Right, because where your fingers are, it changes the proportion the closer you get to the bridge because of the resonance of the strings.